I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you a couple of DIYs and how I style them. You probably read the title, so you know what it's gonna be. So the first one is a pair of cargo pants. I had this normal fisherman type cargo vest and I took off the front pockets and attached them to the pants basically. So here's the vest. As you can see, it doesn't have the front big pockets, and I took another small one as well. I wanted to do this thing with the pockets, but I didn't have a proper fitting pair of pants, so luckily I found one soon after that. And here they are. It's a brand new pair of Crocker, and haven't heard that brand before. It's a very basic placement of the pockets. I just wanted the classic look. Here on each side of the leg you have the bigger pockets, and then on the right leg near the ankle I placed another smaller one right here. For footwear I chose the 700, the Easy 700 mauve. I think it goes well with, it's no black fit, so you can technically choose anything you want. You can pair it up with forces, you can pair it up with some boots, and anything you want really. It's a really simple DIY. You just take the pockets, place them wherever you want, attach them with some pins, and then work your way under the machine so no other material gets caught up, and you can just sew the pockets on, and that's basically it. I paired the pants with this hoodie, which is the second DIY project. It's an AC/DC hoodie. It was originally a t-shirt with a front graphic and a back graphic. I just cut off the graphic. I also detached the Cagro pocket at the top, so the graphic goes underneath the pocket, and zigzag stitched it along the sides. The hoodie is Champion. It had some ugly college font on the front over here. I also added the back graphic on the back near the bottom, cut it midway so it has this misplaced look. So yeah, that's basically it. It's a nice hoodie. It's thick and kind of boxy, and with the graphic it's pretty cool in my opinion. To finish the fit off, I added this black trucker hat with a white panel. Also I added this anarchy pin on the side. This was a patch that I cut off, so it only has the sides where it's stitched. I'll include some b-roll of the styling so you can see how it looks together. You probably can't see it, but I added this roller coaster belt to give it the extra utilitarian look. It's a pretty basic fit, kinda all black, with some minimal color. You could probably see Kanye in this with just a more plain hoodie. Tell me what you think about these couple of projects and maybe the styling, if you liked it, and if I should do more of these DIY videos. Maybe next time I'll actually film whatever I'm doing, because I didn't expect to make a video on these pieces. Yeah, like, subscribe, all that. Thank you for watching, and bye.